Assalamu alaikum, Sheezarashid from California, USA. I hope everyone is doing well. My prayers are with you and your family. May God keep everyone in His blessings. With this, let's start today's video. Today's video is a different eye look. It could be a party look. It could be a wedding guest look, or it could be also a bridal look too, or engagement look. Let's start the video. First of all, just as usual, prep your eyes, and then I took the lighter shade of the brown color, very lighter shade, and I used it as a transition shade, and I started from the outer corner of the eye, blending it inward. As you can see it, I just took a very little eyeshadow on the brush and I started blending it. So make sure you don't take a bunch and then it's hard to blend. So take very little and keep blending it towards inner corner of the eye. After blending it from outer corner of eye towards the inner corner of eye, I also took same transition shade and I did around the bridge of the nose, on the sides of the nose, to give it a shape. You could see it. I gave a shadow on the sides of the nose as well, so it would look a complete blended look instead of a different shades. Then I took a little lighter darker shade, and then I started blending it in the outer corner and bringing it towards the middle of eye. So as you can see, I did not started it at the top, but whatever I blended as a transition shade, I put it underneath and started making the corner. And as I was blending it outer corner, I was bringing it towards the middle of the eye. As you could see that both of those are very well blended. After blending, you could see that I need to take another darker shade, which I'm just gonna put it inside the outer corner. Then I took this limelight eyeshadow, metallic eyeshadow palette, and then I took a greenish color, greenish or bluish mixture of blue and green metallic shade, and I started applying it in the inner corner of the eye, you could see, and I took it towards the middle. So this is a metallic shade. I started from the inner corner and I went towards the middle of the eye. You could I did not need to clean it with the concealer or with the makeup remover. I just blended it like that and it blended very well. But if you want to have more cleaner look, then make sure you clean it with the primer and then apply a metallic shade. Here, as you could see, first I applied with the brush. It wasn't that dark, so I started applying with the finger, tapping it on top of it, so the color came out very nice. So I took this Denessa Meyer glitter, and then I'm just gonna put it on top of the greenish eyeshadow, metallic eyeshadow. You could see I just tapped it in the inner corner of the eye you guys can see. So it looks beautiful. Here I took a watercolor black eyeliner and I started applying the black eyeliner. As all of you guys are pro in applying eyeliner, I started from the middle of the eye and then I took it outer side to make the wing. So as you could see, I just took it out and then started blending it out. And then from the outer corner, I connected it towards the inner corner. So this was the eyeliner. I'm gonna apply the same way on the opposite side as well. And then we are going to move towards our eyelashes. So this is the inner corner. Make sure you pull it out. Looks beautiful. Here is the final look after applying the eyeliner and the eyelashes, and you could see I also the colors I used at the shades for the eyeshadow, the color like a lighter brown or like the reddish type, and the green and the blue. So I took same kind of the small stones and I put it in the middle to make it bindi. It matched perfectly and then looked so beautiful. I hope that you will like today's look and will try to recreate it. Please don't forget to give this video thumbs up. It means a lot because when you give a thumbs up, I can bring more video like that or make more video. It is very time consuming and also, you know, expensive to buy all those eyeshadows and then prepare all those looks. So make sure, give me a favor and give this video thumbs up. Also, do let me know what is your favorite eye look. Comment in the comment box and then we can recreate or create that look together. So it would be more easy and convenient for you. So this is actually a learning skill for me, and I hope you can also learn with me and enjoy this video. So with this, I also want to say thank you for watching this video, supporting me and connecting with me. Take care, enjoy your day, and see you guys in next video with a new eye look. Take care. Bye bye.